Hi, I'm Dimitris Haralambidis, and in this presentation we'll talk about angles formed by parallel lines and transversals. Let two lines M and N that are parallel and another line G that cuts, otherwise intersects, both of them. This line G will be called transversal. 8 angles are formed by these lines, as we can clearly see in the diagram in front of us. We will now learn how to name every pair of these angles. But before we do this, we should give some definitions first. We'll start with a definition of interior angles. Two angles will be called interior if they are both between the parallel lines M and N. Two angles will be called exterior if they are both placed outside the parallel lines M and N. Two angles will be called interior-exterior if one of them is between the parallel lines and the other outside of the parallel lines respectively. Two angles will be called same side if they are both on the same side of the transversal. And remember that by transversal we mean line G. And finally, two angles will be called alternate if they are placed on different sides of the transversal. Having said that, we now proceed on naming each pair of angles formed by these three lines M, N, and G. Let's start with a pair of angles 1 and 2. We can see that they are both placed on the left side of line G, so they are definitely same side angles, and that one of them is between the lines M and N, while the other one is outside of them. So here we have a pair of same side interior-exterior angles. Next, we move on angles 1 and 3. This time, we can see that they are placed on different sides of the transversal of line G. So, they are alternate angles. And again, since one of them is between lines M and N and the other is outside of them, we have a pair of alternate interior-exterior angles. Angles 1 and 4. They are alternate since they are on different sides of line G, and they are exterior because both of them are placed outside the parallel lines M and N. Angles 1 and 5. They are same side angles since both of them are on the left of line G, and interior-exterior since one of them, and particularly angle 5, is between the parallel lines M and N, while the other one, the angle 1, is outside of these lines respectively. Angles 1 and 6. They are alternate because they are on different sides of line G, and interior-exterior again, since angle 6 is between lines M and N, while angle 1 is outside of them respectively. Angles 1 and 7. They are same side angles because they are both placed on the same side regarding line G, and they are exterior since both of them are placed outside the parallel lines M and N. Angles 1 and 8. They are alternate since they are placed on different sides of line G, and they are exterior since again both of them are placed outside the parallel lines M and N. Angles 2 and 3. They are alternate since they are placed on different sides of line G, and they are interior because they are both placed between parallel lines. So angles 2 and 3 form a pair of alternate interior angles. Angles 2 and 4. They are alternate since one of them is on the left of line G while the other one is at the right of line G respectively, and they are interior-exterior since one of them is between the parallel lines M and N and the other is outside of these lines respectively. Angles 2 and 5. They are same side angles because they are both placed at the left of line G, and they are interior since both of them are between lines M and N. Angles 2 and 6. They are alternate because they are on different sides regarding line G, and interior because they are both between lines M and N. Angles 2 and 7. These angles are same side because they are at the left of line G, and interior-exterior because angle 2 is between parallel lines while angle 7 is outside of these lines respectively. Angles 2 and 8. They are alternate interior-exterior angles. Angles 3 and 4. They are same side, they are both at the right of line G, interior-exterior angles. Angles 3 and 5. They are alternate interior angles. Angles 3 and 6 are same side interior angles. Angles 3 and 7 are alternate interior-exterior angles. Angles 3 and 8 are same side interior-exterior angles. Angles 4 and 5 are alternate interior-exterior angles. Angles 4 and 6 are same side interior-exterior angles. Angles 4 and 7 are alternate because they are placed on different sides of line G, and exterior because both of them are outside the parallel lines M and N. Angles 4 and 8. They are same side exterior angles. Angles 5 and 6 are alternate interior angles. Angles 5 and 7 are same side interior-exterior angles. Angles 5 and 8 are alternate, they are placed on different sides of line G. Interior, that's angle 5, exterior, that's angle 8 respectively. Angles 6 and 7, they are alternate interior-exterior angles. Angles 6 and 8, they are same side interior-exterior angles. Angles 7 and 8, they are alternate exterior angles. For any questions about this presentation, you can leave comments down below, or you can always contact me with one of the following ways, either in my email or at my Facebook page. As always, thank you for your time.